Hopdeals.com are authority equipment remarketing specialists and are pleased to offer reference number 85, this 2008 Mustang 2044. The skid steer has a 49 horsepower engine and a lifting capacity of 658 kilograms. It includes the front forks and 2 white buckets. It's done 2,024 hours and has a gross weight of 2,631 kilograms. If you'd like further details on this or any other equipment, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800, email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out all the latest stock on our website hopdeals.com.